We are all aware of the problem faced by the farmers in the last 2 months due to lack of crop production. To overcome these problems, we created an app AgroHub to help the farmers. This app provides the best possible features to increase the crop productivity by using some AI technologies. Now let us learn to navigate through this app. In this app, we provided a search engine so that the farmer can match the requirement of the crop he needs. Like if he needs to grow wheat, he can search it here and see the information required for growing this crop. Now we are all aware of Doordarshan or DD network of the government. A YouTube channel for farmers, DD Kisan, is a part of this network. To open this channel, you can click on this poster and now you will be redirected to DD Kisan channel. Coming to the next feature, then there is a Bluetooth robot connectivity which detects your field's pH, soil quality and sprinkles the required fertilizers on your field. For this, you will have to connect your robot to this app through Bluetooth. My robot name is HC05, so I will connect it to the mobile app by clicking on it. After connecting the robot, you will get all the controls of the robot in the mobile app. Let us move our robot forward. In the robot, we have put a pH sensor here which detects the pH value of the soil, and also we have put a water container in which we have put some water to sprinkle on the field. Here we have provided a fertilizer dispenser and we also have put some fertilizer in it. The robot movement and the sensors can be controlled through a mobile app through Bluetooth. The pH sensor goes deep down into the soil and detects the pH value of the soil. It then sends the pH value to the fertilizer dispenser, and the fertilizer dispenser then sprinkles the fertilizer into the water container which get mixed in the water, and the water pump then sprinkles this fertilizer into the field. Whenever the pH value of the soil is less than the required one, then the pH gives command to the motor to get activated using the Archimedes principle and sprinkles the fertilizer into the water tank which get mixed with water, and the water pump then sprinkles this fertilizer into the field. Here we have put a soil moisture sensor which detects the moisture quantity of the soil. If the moisture quantity is less, then the water pump gets activated, and as the robot moves forward, the robot keeps on sprinkling the water into the field. Here we have put a water pump into the water container, and I have already filled the container with water. Now the soil moisture is less, so this water pump will get automatically activated and will sprinkle the water into the field. See, the pump has got activated and it will sprinkle the water as long as the soil requirement is not satisfied. In India, most of the people engaged in the farming do not know the right way to grow the crops. For this, we have provided a farming course in both English and Hindi languages to teach people how to grow crops. Apart from this, here is also a plantation course through which you can learn terrace farming, that is, grow crops at your field. In the buy arena, we have provided the goods required for your farming from trusted and reliable sources. You can buy the good as per your own crop requirement. If you have any difficulty in accessing these features, then the detailed information of these features is provided in the app info section. If you have any queries, then you can mail us your query at agrohub2006@gmail.com.